Good morning all. Am I audible properly?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I'm going to share my screen. So anybody can tell me like where were we and the last lecture?
Sir, we have done insertion at end and beginning in double linked list.
Double linked list.
Okay, done. Is there any doubt in that? I think screen is visible now. Screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is like we are just revising the concept in 2 minutes. So that is what we have seen in the last lecture. We have started the W linked list. We have seen the creation of W linked list. In W linked list, we have a node with two different pointers along with the information part. So overall, we have three parts in a node. One pointer is there for connecting to the next node, and one pointer is there to connecting to the previous node. That's why it is also known as two-way linked list. Or okay, is it okay now? So we have seen the different overflow and the underflow conditions in the W linked list. Then we have seen the creation of W linked list, how we can create the first node of a W linked list. Okay. Then we have seen the operations which includes the insertion of the link node into W linked list at beginning, insertion of the node into W linked list at the end. I think at that particular point we have seen. यहाँ तक हमने कर लिया था. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So we are now moving into the next, that is insertion operation at random position. Okay, again it can be done by two ways. One is by position and one is by value. Okay, one is by position and one is by value, that we have already seen in the case of single linked list. We are here discussing only the one case, and then you will be able to discuss create the another one on your own. Now suppose that this is our W linked list. Initially, how many nodes are there?
Four.
Four nodes are there. Now I have changed the pattern of the numbers or information stored into the linked list. They are random numbers. They are not in the ascending or either descending order. So do not be confused that always the linked list will have the numbers either in ascending or descending. They may have random numbers also. Okay. So that is what I have done in this to clear the doubt. So first node have the previous pointer null, and the last node have the last pointer null. So is it okay to all now? यहाँ तक किसी को कोई डाउट है?
Yes.
So okay. So now we are going to insert something into this linked list. हम एक नई node add करने वाले हैं. At any position, same I am going to repeat that it could be by position and it could be by the value. So like the question could be, please insert the new node after the 29. So it is by, is it by position, is it by value?
By value.
By value.
By value. Before the node 8, is it by value or by position?
Position.
By again, no, before node
By
8.
value. By value.
After the second node, it is by
Position.
position. Before the third node, it is by position. So we are going to insert the node, say, after 29. Okay. Now what we need to do in any case, like whether it will be a position or whether it will be of a value, we need to move first of all the pointer to that particular node, after which we need to insert the new node. So let us say that 29 is the node after which we need to insert the new node. Is it okay? PTR right now is pointing to the 29. So right now we are not going to discuss how the PTR is there. We need to use the same loop that we have discussed, and we have made a program also for that in the single linked list. Is it okay? Or we need to discuss it? Anybody? So yes or no? Do we need to discuss this thing?
No, sir.
So is it okay to all now? कुछ लोगों को जवाब एक संग आना चाहिए actually. I like want that all persons say should know. और if you have anyone wants कि हमें discuss करना है तो बताइए. Although we have discussed so many number of times, we need to move the pointer to the 29 node. We will start from the start pointer and we will move it to the pointer number or the node number 2 or the node which has the value 29. Is it okay? We will start. So PTR initially will be initiated with the start pointer and it will be moved with the help of some conditions. So PTR is now at the node after which we need to insert the value. Now suppose there is a node. So first step could be, सबसे पहला step क्या होगा? Tell me. We need to insert the new node. First step will be, am I audible to all?
सर क्यू को insert data देना सर.
First step is the creation of the node Q or the node U with the help of malloc function. Second step will be, you all need to
Store
write
the data value.
and I suppose that, and I request you all that you should write all of you should write that particular steps in your notebook, so that after that we will be able to write the algorithm. You will be able to write the algorithm actually. है ना? So first step is, there are how many steps we will count now. First step is we will insert the new node or create a new node using malloc. Say it is Q. Now then next is
Insert
Store
the
the data
data.
value.
Inserting the
data value insert करा. Say 50 being inserted. Second step is inserting the information. So Q information is equals to value. Next is
PTR equals to start.
PTR equals to
Start.
Y.
Sir, as we have to traverse, then we have to initialize PTR
Okay,
equals to start.
okay, done. But we have assumed that PTR is already at that node.
Then, sir, we have to traverse
29
till the
node.
PTR.
We already assumed that PTR is at 29. We have assumed we have traversed all through the nodes, and we are at 29 number node. So I need just the steps that we required to connect that node now. So what will we do now? After information part, what particular part of the node will be updated?
So now we will
PTR connect
link the
queue में
next
send
part.
करेंगे.
Queue of next.
Q of next or PTR of next?
Q
PTR
of next
PTR
equals to PTR next.
Okay, tell me,
equals to
पहले हम
PTR.
connection जोड़ेंगे actually. So the two steps are कि हमें Q के दोनों part fill करने हैं. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Q next needs to fill
Yes,
and
sir.
then Q previous needs to fill.
Previous.
ये चीज ध्यान रखिएगा हमेशा. So Q next will pointing to the node 8. Is it okay? And
Yes,
Q
sir.
Yes,
previous
sir.
will going to point to the node PTR. Is it okay? Next,
Yes,
to the next node 8, previous will point to the previous node, that is 29 node. Okay, अब ये लिखना कैसे है ये हम बताएंगे, अब हम देखेंगे अभी. So 4 step हो चुके हैं. First creation of node, then information fill, then next fill, and then previous fill. Is it okay? The Q node is
sir.
being filled now.
Yes, sir.
Now the connection being established. Now need to break the connection. अब पहले तो connection बना लिए हैं, अब connection तोड़ेंगे हम लोग. So now what will be updated? PTR
PTR of next equals to
next will
Q.
be updated.
PTR of next.
PTR next will be updated. PTR next will point to that particular new node. Is it okay now? And what else will be updated? And what else will be updated now?
सर जो 8th नोड है सर उसका previous.
Very good. 8 जो node the node contains the value 8. उसका previous will also be updated and it will point to
Q
Q.
next.
That's it. In this way, we will going to add a node at random position. Is it okay? Finally, this particular linked list will be like this, and the connection break हो गए यहाँ पे जो 29 and 8 node 2 and node 3 के बीच में जो भी connections थे that had already been dissolved now, as we have established the new connections. As soon as you will like make this particular connection, okay, then automatically this will be breaked. जब ये बनेगा तब ये automatically break हो गया, because we have updated the value. Right now next is pointing to this 8 address. Suppose address का address 100 है, so यहाँ पर भी 100 था next में, but इसका address suppose 200 है, तो हमने जैसे ही इसको next को 200 से update किया तो overall ये वाला connection टूट गया. Similarly, suppose if this has the 50, so it breaks as soon as we create this connection. So automatically it will break. We need not to do anything for that. Is it clear to all now? We are updating the values of these pointer next and previous. That's it. Nothing else we need to do. It will automatically be updated and break. And in this way we will get the new linked list in which the 50 is being inserted after 29 and before 8, or at the position 3, or at the as a third node. Is it okay? Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
So कितने step हुए? I am repeating. First, creating a new node. Second, information fill. Third, next fill. Fourth, queue का previous fill. Fifth, PTR next update, and then PTR next का previous update. Okay. Now you need to arrange it. इनको arrange भी करना पड़ेगा. हमने ये सारे steps तो लिख दिए. अब इनको arrange भी करना पड़ेगा. Because always the sequence matters. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
है ना? So now we are going to write the algorithm. बस now like algorithm के point of view से if I am going to talk, I am just going to write the main steps only, because I am not going to repeat everything right now. Is it okay? है ना? So what will be the steps now? You just tell me now. Up to this particular point, all the we can say steps are as it is. Double linked list.
Line, it's not the last node. It will be
The traverse P is the node after which we have to insert the new node.
Traverse PTR
to the required node.
to the desired node using while. Is it okay now?
Yes, sir.
Doubly linked list, insertion at random position. Now, if Q is Q will be declared first, and if it is null, then we will write overflow and exit. Next, what? Q created, then what?
Passing info.
So Q
Queue of data.
info is equals to
Data.
value or item, whatever it is. Okay. Then what?
Q of next.
Q of next
PTR next.
equals to PTR next.
Okay. Q of next is equals to PTR next. बहुत ध्यान से करना पड़ेगा आपको, है ना? Q of next is pointing to PTR next. Is it clear to all now? PTR को point नहीं करेगा, PTR के next को point करेगा. It means the next of Q will also have now the address value 100. So Q of next is PTR next. What else? Q of
Previous PTR.
very good. Then next
PTR of next equals to Q.
PTR of next is equals to
Q.
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 Then
PTR of next of previous.
PTR next previous, well tried,
Equals to Q. Q.
Equals to Q.
equals to Q. Is it okay? Anything else we need to do?
No, sir.
Is it done? Is it done? Anyone else? Atishay, are you there?
Yes, sir.
So tell me, is it okay or we need to do something else? आपको कुछ समझ में आया बच्चे?
सर
अतिशय
एल्गोरिथम में डाउट है अभी भी इसमें।
बताइए, पूछिए तो फिर। आप चुप क्यों हैं? मुझे पूछिए ना। I am like trying to find out the person who is silent. Why you are not able to speak? Tell me at what point you have any doubt. Tell me fast.
सर 11th step.
Okay, very good. So right now, let us suppose I am doing it again. So the PTR is at that node, 29 node. Okay. So how you will access that 8 node? Right now, you suppose the PTR is at that node. This means a pointer variable is there which is pointing to 29 number node. So how you will access this node 8? इसका एड्रेस क्या होगा? बताएं फटाफट. With the help of PTR, how you will be able to access this node? Like it's ठीक है, इसका एड्रेस कहाँ है अभी? Suppose 100 is there and इसके नेक्स्ट में PTR के नेक्स्ट में किसका एड्रेस होता है? 8 नंबर नोड का. तो ये नेक्स्ट में क्या का एड्रेस है? 100 है. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And now how this node will be accessed? This node will be accessed through PTR ka next, because this node address is there in this next field. And now what about this 178? 178 को कैसे एक्सेस करोगे? बताइए. चलो अब आप मुझे बताइए 178 को कैसे एक्सेस करेंगे हम? If PTR is at 29 तो 178 कैसे एक्सेस होगा? इस नोड का एड्रेस कहाँ स्टोर्ड है? इस पर पूरी नोड का एड्रेस
सर स्टार्ट में
एक्सेस है. वेरी गुड. बट मैं चाहता हूँ कि पीटीआर की हेल्प से एक्सेस करें हम लोग. तो कैसे करेंगे?
PTR प्रीवियस.
वेरी गुड. दैट्स इट. यही चाहता हूँ मैं कि यही सबको समझ में आ जाए एक बार. आप सपोज मैं चाहता हूँ कि 75 नोड का एड्रेस एक्सेस करना है पीटीआर के थ्रू. कैसे एक्सेस करेंगे?
PTR next.
Very good. PTR next का next. Is it clear to all now? So if you are at any node, so you can use any number of next to reach at that particular node. This logic should be clear to you all now. So अब 11th step clear हुआ क्या? PTR next. It means node 8. इसका previous हमें update करना है बच्चे. जैसा आपने देखा अभी हमें ये वाला ये जो step है, this step is number 5. There we have declared the queue. I am repeating to all for all actually. This is step number 5. We have created queue, and if it is returning null, we will write overflow condition and exit. Because we know that if queue is null, it means malloc is returning null. Malloc null return कर रहा है मतलब memory में जगह नहीं बची है, तो हम इसको overflow बता देंगे. Okay. Now this is 7th step when we have put the value of value into the information part of queue. Then next part हम fill कर रहे हैं. एक arrow बनाया हमने, next को हमने attach किया PTR के next से. अभी आपने बताया कि इस नोड को कैसे नाम दिया हमने? PTR next. So is it clear now? In queue next, the value will be PTR next. Okay. And in queue previous, the value is PTR. We know that that particular 29 address is pointed by PTR. Okay. Now we need to update that part. PTR next is equals to queue. So is it okay now? PTR next we are updating and it will be pointing to by queue, because we know that 50 number node is pointed by queue now. Queue इसका address है. And last one is PTR के next का previous. ये previous किसका update हो रहा है? PTR के next का. So PTR next then previous is equals to queue. That is all. Is it okay? अभी clear है कि सबको? Still any doubt you can ask? I
in 10th line, we are saying that PTR next equals to Q. And in the 11th line, we are saying PTR next of previous. So isn't it be like Q of previous?
very good. It is actually. And I have deliberately made it because I want, मैंने अभी शुरू में बोला था कि सीक्वेंस मैटर करती है. आप लोग देखो इसमें क्या प्रॉब्लम है. So the sequence matters. So 10 and 11 number steps are not properly arranged in this. They are not at their specific position. Have you got the answer? Everyone else. सबको समझ में आ गया है ये? So they need to be swapped. Because once we update the PTR next, so this PTR next is Q now. So now we are actually talking about Q का previous. हम previous of Q update करने में लग गए वापस से, जो already PTR था और Q के previous को हमने Q बना दिया. तो actually हमने क्या किया, हमने इस नोड को इसी से जोड़ दिया. ये समझ में आया? तो सीक्वेंस मैटर करती है हमेशा. मैंने पहले ही बताया आपको कि सीक्वेंस का बहुत ध्यान रखिए आप लोग. सो सीक्वेंस आपको सब कुछ समझ में आ गया है, सारे स्टेप आपने लिख लिए हैं, लेकिन इफ यू हैव मेड द रॉन्ग सीक्वेंस देन ऑल इन वेन, सब कुछ गलत हो गया. इज इट ओके नाउ? Now this algorithm is complete and it is okay, perfectly working algorithm. Is it clear to all now? That while condition varies now, it is based on the position or whether it is based on the value. ये आपको अपने आप लगानी पड़ेगी, जो आप लगा सकते हैं. We have done already. I am not going to repeat that thing. Is it clear? Say yes or no at least, but fast.
Yes, sir.
Everyone, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
दिया, आपको समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Anyone else? किसी को डाउट है कोई? देवांग गुप्ता. People have started left the meeting because कहीं दर्श उनका नाम ना कॉल हो जाए. Let it be. Okay. So this is how we can delete the position, insert that random value. Now we are coming on to the deletion part. ये एरो वाली चीज में अपडेट वैसे जरूरत नहीं है, आपको समझ में आना चाहिए क्या है ये. नाउ डिलीशन. ओके, डब्ल्यू लिंक लिस्ट डिलीशन ऑपरेशन. डिलीशन फ्रॉम फर्स्ट. Suppose this is my linked list. How many nodes are there right now?
5.
Very good. Now tell me what we will do if we want to delete the first node. I'm not going to write it like मैंने अभी एल्गोरिथम लिखी नहीं है. एक्चुअली एल्गोरिथम मैंने आप लोगों को भी छोड़ दिए. अब actually we are writing the program, you can say, instead of writing the algorithm we are writing program. Okay. So now suppose अब आपसे पूछा जाता है इंटरव्यू में, तो आपको केवल ये 5 स्टेप पता होने चाहिए. ये हमने काम किया है इस पूरे एल्गोरिथम में इंसर्शन की. Done. You can assume directly in the case of interview that we are at that node PTR. जैसे मैंने अभी बताया वैसे you can do that. Now come on to that. Please tell me what we will do in this case.
So we'll make start point to the next node.
Very good. Now what? Now how?
So start will be PTR of next.
Start is equals to, yes, repeat it, please repeat it.
Start equals to PTR of next.
So first of all we need to take a pointer variable. ऐसा आप कह रहे हैं?
Yes, sir. PTR equals to start.
Okay. So we are taking a pointer start node PTR and initiate it to the start. Then
Sir, we will update start equals to PTR next.
start or PTR. We should take PTR. PTR next.
PTR next equals to start.
PTR next equals to start. हमें क्या करना है, आपको समझ में आ चुका है क्या? Let me repeat once again. We are going to delete this first node 178. Now start will point to what?
29.
29th now.
29. So ultimately, which particular start will update now? It will point to 29. And uh, what else will be there in this linked list? What else, like क्या other changes होंगे यहाँ पे?
It would be PTR next
So
of previous equals to start. PTR next
Previous
of
equals to
previous
null.
equals
29
to start.
previous equals to null.
29 का previous null होगा sir.
Very good. 29 का previous null होगा सबसे पहली बात. क्योंकि now 29 is going to become the first node. That's why the previous of that will be null. So automatically ये दोनों लिंक टूट गए आपके. तो आपको दो काम करने हैं अब, एक तो स्टार्ट अपडेट करना है और एक इसको नल बनाना है. सो अब आप बताइए
को पार्ट को नल बनाना है.
हाँ वेरी गुड. तो अब आप बताइए कि क्या कैसे स्टेप लिखोगे और क्या सीक्वेंस रहेगी. अब आपने बोला है कि पीटीआर इज एट दैट पर्टिकुलर. नाउ पीटीआर इज स्टार आपने एक पॉइंटर क्रिएट कर लिया है इनिशियली. ओके, सो व्हाट यू विल डू नाउ, पीटीआर बना चुके हैं.
So start equals to PTR next.
PTR of next, yes sir.
Start is equals to
PTR of next.
okay, then
PTR of next का previous equals to null.
बस ये दो ही स्टेप ही आने हैं.
Then sir free the PTR.
नो,
हाँ फ्री पीटीआर भी हो जाएगा, वो तो इशू
फ्री
नहीं है. और
पीटीआर.
हाँ दैट इज ओके. और अदर देन दैट start needs to update and previous part of the PTR next needs to be updated. So now what will be the sequence of that? Sequence क्या होगी?
सर इन्फॉर्मेशन
So start पहले
सेव
आएगा.
नहीं करना पड़ेगा.
Sorry.
First we will create the link.
So first start will be linked to the next node.
Okay. Let's see. Start is equals to
Next.
पीटीआर नेक्स्ट.
PTR next. Okay. Then
PTR next previous equals to null.
okay. Very good.
Next previous.
प्रीवियस नल.
And
फ्री पीटीआर.
Free PTR.
free PTR. Is it okay? That is the deletion at beginning. Is it clear? Any doubt in this?
एक मिनट सर और चेक करने.
सीक्वेंस सही है.
ओके सर, ओके है.
You can also store the value, like it is not essential part of this algorithm. It will be a optional part. We can also save the value of the node that we are going to delete. Okay, so before free, what we will do, that can be done with the help of that information say is equals to PTR information के अपन ले लेते हैं value. Okay, that is an optional part.
So
Yes.
sir, it should be value equals to PTR next info.
No. PTR information we are going to delete. 178 we are going to delete.
Acha, okay sir, okay sir.
है ना? So like suppose I want to print here which value we are going to delete, so it should be 178. That's why it is PTR information. Done?
Yes sir.
डन सर.
So this is deletion from first. Now deletion from last. Suppose this is a node. Linked list again. Last node needs to be deleted. PTR is there. I assume that we have traversed all through till the node 8. है ना? We have already traversed through the linked list till the node 8. So PTR is 8 now. Now what we will do?
PTR next equals to null.
PTR next is equals to null. That's it. Or anything else?
प्रीवियस पार्ट में भी कुछ आएगा.
इसके previous part में इसमें जो भी लिखना है वो अपने आप लिख लेंगे अपन लोग, बार बार हम लोग लिखते आ रहे हैं। बताएं किसके प्रीवियस आर्ट में बोल रहे हैं बेटा?
सर जो सेकंड लास्ट नोड है, हमने सबसे लास्ट नोड को तो डिलीट ही कर दिया ना, अब पॉइंटर पीटीआर सेकंड नोड लास्ट नोड पर है।
हाँ, तो नाउ व्हाट यू वांट टू से, कि क्या करना है हमें?
सर हम इसमें प्रीवियस नोड की वैल्यू नहीं
हमने what we have done, we have just updated that particular thing and we have made it null. Yes, and if it is null, it automatically becomes the last node. It automatically
अब ये
becomes the last node. Okay, but now suppose if you want to free this node, okay, then what?
So free PTR next.
PTR next.
PTR next null कर दिया है.
सर उससे पहले फ्री कर देंगे.
Yes, पहले फ्री करेंगे.
पीटीआर नेक्स्ट का नेक्स्ट,
Why PTR next का next?
वो पीटीआर नेक्स्ट
पहले फ्री करेंगे. अब यहाँ पर देखो, बहुत ध्यान से देखना पड़ेगा आपको कि कब फ्री करना है इस केस में. So first of all, we will free the next of PTR. It means 75 free हो गया, and now we are making the PTR next as null. And suppose if you want to store the information also, then value will be
PTR next of
PTR next.
नेक्स्ट इन्फॉर्मेशन।
Next का info.
Is it okay?
Sir, we are freeing the PTR next previously just in case वो की मेमोरी में जगह नहीं स्टोर घेरे. इट मींस अगर हम ये लिखें तो भी चले, नहीं लिखे तो भी चलेगा सर?
हाँ चलेगा, लेकिन है ना, logically when we are using dynamic programming, then we should write that. Because
Yes, sir,
जब भी है ना, हाँ, program will work, no issue. Program will work, no issue in that.
Sir, but if we are writing it after that PTR next equals to null, then also it is moving from the memory only, vanishing from the memory. If we are vanishing it first, then what is the making difference? What difference does it?
नहीं, like if you are writing free PTR next after PTR next is equals to null, say you are saying that thing, है ना? So in that case, we have already made PTR next as null. So you are making it like, what is that? It is null actually. So आप किसको फ्री कर रहे हो? PTR next का एड्रेस ही खो दिया ना आपने.
So ultimately we are freeing only, na sir. Then why is the need of making it free?
नहीं, we like क्या फ्री कर रहे हैं हम लोग?
We are breaking the link of PTR and PTR
हाँ
next.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, मैंने परसों भी एग्जांपल लिया था. सॉरी, मैंने परसों भी एग्जांपल लिया था. लाइक सपोज वी हैव detached the last compartment of the train. So compartment तो अभी है, we have made it like separate, but compartment exist कर रहा है अभी. जब तक कि उसको हम फ्री नहीं करेंगे तब तक वो फ्री नहीं होगा. It will not be available for anyone else. It should be available for anyone else ना, कोई और लिंक उसको यूज कर सके,
Yes, sir.
उसको कोई यूज कर सके. तो आपने भी केवल उसको फ्री, अभी आपने उसको केवल कनेक्शन ब्रेक किए, आपने केवल कनेक्शन ब्रेक की. मेमोरी में ये अभी एग्जिस्ट कर रहा है. इट हैज सम स्पेस, इट ऑक्यूपाइज सम स्पेस, कुछ ना कुछ वैल्यूज हैं इसके अंदर.
So sir, after freeing PTR next, can we access the value of the last node?
We are not accessing the value actually.
No, if we wanted to, it means we are freeing PTR next and we are saying PTR next and we are changing the value of that.
No, once we have
particular-
free no. Once we have freed it, we will not be able to access. That's why I have stored the value of that PTR information before the free statement.
And after making it null, also we can't access it.
नहीं, if you are not making it free, नहीं, still yes, definitely we will not be able to access, because we have made PTR next equals null, so we don't have the address of that node. We should have the address of that node ना. अब हमें कुछ ना कुछ उसका एड्रेस चाहिए एक्सेस करने के लिए उसको. Right now, if we have this connection, so this address is PTR next. But suppose we have made PTR next is null, so we don't have any address right now. उसके लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, पहले किसी तरीके से उसका एड्रेस को सेव कर लो. या तो लाइक आप क्या करो कि PTR1 आपने बनाया एंड उसको आपने PTR के नेक्स्ट में मतलब उसमें अपने पीटीआर का नेक्स्ट स्टोर कर लिया। अब आपने फ्री नहीं किया है इसको, है ना। और अब आप चाहते हैं कि इसको यूज करना है, तो यू कैन एक्सेस दैट पर्टिकुलर वैल्यू फ्रॉम ptr1 ptr1 info इज इक्वल्स टू लाइक इंफॉर्मेशन पार्ट। अब आप लिख सकते हो यहाँ पर वैल्यू इज इक्वल्स टू ptr1 information। अब समझ में आया आपको?
Yes, sir. Yes, bro.
हाँ, what we have done, we have created a new pointer that is ptr1 and ptr1 को अब मैंने मतलब इसको इस पर्टिकुलर नोड को मैंने एक्सेस करवा दिया, इसका एड्रेस स्टोर कर लिया कहीं पर डिलीट करने से पहले। So ptr1 is now ptr next. So ptr1 is having the address of node 75. Now if you are freeing or not freeing, like if you will not free again, free नहीं होगा तभी ये पार्ट का काम करेगा again। यदि फ्री हो गया तो वो अवेलेबल हो जाएगा किसी और के लिए, है ना। अब आपने फ्री नहीं किया, देन इफ स्टिल इफ यू आर मेकिंग नल बट यू विल बी एबल टू एक्सेस द एड्रेस। वो वही है, यदि आपने पहले किसी और वेरिएबल में स्टोर करवा लिया, उसका डुप्लीकेट कॉपी बना लिया आपने। इज इट क्लियर? डाउट क्लियर हो
Yes,
गया?
sir. Yes, sir.
These are all like optional subject, optional. We are not, but this is compulsory subject. तो ये मैं अभी लिख के रहने देता हूँ, आप लोग समझ कंफ्यूज मत होइएगा इससे। और शुड आई रिमूव इट? मैं इसी कॉपी बना देता हूँ। तो दैट्स, ये तो एक्चुअल में एल्गोरिथम है एंड ये कुछ अलग कंसेप्ट है ना। To store the last node before deletion। अभी किसी कंफ्यूजन ना हो बाद में पढ़ते वक्त। इज इट ओके?
Yes, sir.
Done. Now coming on to the last part. First we have delete, last we have delete. Okay. Now next. Deletion at random. So what about this? Again, it can be by value, by position, both. Okay. So again, I am assuming that we are at a specific node and we are going to delete it. So suppose right now we are at that particular node ptr. So I am going to delete actually 50. I am going to delete the node having the value 50, or I am going to delete the node at third position, okay, or I am going to delete the node after 29 and so on. Is it okay? All are same. So we need to move the pointer ptr till that particular node 29 and now we need to delete 15. So what happens now? बताइए क्या होने वाला है?
We will create a link of PTR next of previous.
अच्छा, कौन कौन से पॉइंटर्स अपडेट होंगे पहले कोई बता सकता है मेरे को?
The next pointer of PTR and the previous pointer of the 8th.
This one and this one. ये दो पॉइंटर अपडेट होंगे। तो दिस द होल डिलीशन एक्चुअली रिक्वायर्स ओनली 2 लाइन्स। यू कैन सी नाउ कैसे। ओके, लाइक सपोज दिस इज देयर, सो अल्टीमेटली ये नोड डिलीट होने वाली है। यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
मैंने वो सारे कनेक्शन भी ऑटोमेटिकली वो सारे कनेक्शन हटा दिए और ये दो कनेक्शन बनने वाले हैं। दैट्स इट। तो दीज
नेक्स्ट पार्ट अपडेट होगा और प्रीवियस पार्ट अपडेट होगा, यही ना सर?
So now tell me, if this is PTR, so this node is
PTR of
PTR next.
PTR next.
like
Next.
you know, actually in order to write me the code, I need to nomenclate all these node now, and this node is
PTR next का
PTR
next.
next का next.
very good, PTR next का next.
PTR next का next.
Ab suppose I want to access this PTR previous part, then how we will access?
PTR next का next previous.
Very good. तो यहाँ 3 कनेक्शन आएंगे अब, PTR next and then previous. Is it okay? So in this way you will write the algorithm. Like suppose now we want to update this previous part and I know that particular node is pointed by the pointer PTR next. This is a single pointer which is holding the address of this node 8. So अब इसके previous part को कैसे access किया जाएगा?
PTR next of next previous.
That is what I was saying. Is it clear now?
Okay, sir.
है ना भाई? Like this next part will be directly be accessed with the help of PTR next. So PTR next will be now. So PTR next क्या होगा? यहाँ पर क्या आना चाहिए? किसका एड्रेस आना चाहिए बताइए? PTR next is equals to
PTR next
50.
equals to
PTR
PTR
next का
next
next.
हाँ, PTR next is equals to PTR next
PTR
next.
next.
Definitely. And next statement will be PTR next
PTR
next
next
previous.
previous equals to PTR.
to PTR.
That's it. So ये समझ में आ गया? Should I
नहीं
type
सर
it?
मेरे को समझ नहीं आया।
अच्छा ठीक है, I am repeating once again. Please be concentrate. PTR at that particular node 29. Okay. Now, if it is PTR, then this node will be accessed by PTR
PTR
next.
का next.
50
PTR
number
next
node. And that 8 number node 8 will be accessed by
PTR next next.
ये। सबसे पहले ये समझ आना चाहिए आपको, है ना? This particular node will be accessed by PTR next next. So this whole node containing 8 has an address in the pointer PTR next next. This is a single pointer actually now. We will take it as a single pointer. Okay. So now suppose this particular connection needs to make. ये वाला connection हमें बनाना है. Okay. I am talking about this connection. So this particular next part will be updated. And that particular next part is actually what? PTR next.
PTR next
PTR next.
Which will be now equals to, which actually holds the
PTR
address of
next
node A.
next.
PTR next. ये
next
इसका
next
node है ना? And now this particular previous needs to be updated. Like ये connection बनाना है हमें. So this pointer will be accessed through PTR next next previous, and it will be PTR only because this node is PTR. 29 is PTR. Yes or no? I am keeping that particular changes for your reference. Now I am going to write the text. अब शायद लिखने से समझ में आया थोड़ा बहुत. PTR next is equals to PTR
next next.
next
next का next
next. Is it okay? Yes or
okay
no?
sir
Then
Previous equals to
PTR next
PTR next.
is it clear to all now? That two lines
Yes,
are there in order to delete a particular node. Like अब आप समझ सकते हो कि तो बहुत ही सिंपल है. थोड़ा सा लॉजिक समझ में आना चाहिए. That's it. Nothing else we need to do.
Sir, can we change the order or the sequence?
Can we? Just tell me. You need to tell me. Can we change the order? All. This question is for all actually. क्या हम इसका order change कर सकेंगे? Deletion. Yes. Somebody can tell me. Waiting for answer.
Sir, can you show the algo, please?
Just a minute. This is your algorithm. इससे पहले मैं लिख देता हूं. क्या आपको अपने आप करना है? Travels to the linked list till PTR.
So I guess we can change the order.
Yes, I
problem.
think we can change.
Yes, in that there is no problem actually to change that.
As we are only using the PTR only.
That's it.
Yes, sir.
है ना? So PTR next previous PTR. It will be like the second one, and that second one could be the third one. No issue in that. Because we have only a single pointer. But now it can be done with the help of two pointers also. ये आपके लिए homework होगा actually. Okay. Now see the another versions of that. Is it okay now? यहाँ तक तो डाउट नहीं है किसी को? Be fast.
No, sir.
Okay. Now
No,
tell
sir.
me. Now tell me if this is a situation. PTR at that node जो हमें डिलीट करनी है, तब क्या होगा? तब क्या स्टेप होंगे? काम वही होगा, लेकिन स्टेप क्या होंगे? You have got my point? I am changing the position of the PTR. Now PTR is at that node which is to be deleted.
So we
So
will
what
change
we need to
PTR
PTR previous will be pointed to the
to PTR next.
Yes. Now just tell me what is the value of that particular node, or what is the pointer of that particular node? 29. If it is PTR, then it is
PTR previous.
PTR previous.
PTR.
Previous.
Okay. And what about this 8?
PTR next.
PTR next.
Nice. So you can move the PTR to that node also. There is no harm in that. Okay. So now I need to write it. So now the code will be, yes, code will be बताइए.
So PTR previous equals to PTR next.
PTR previous is equals to PTR next. PTR previous is equals to PTR next. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So PTR next of previous.
First of all,
Equals to
this statement
PTR
is right or
previous.
not? PTR previous is equals to PTR next. Is it okay?
Sir, I have a confusion in this statement.
Yes, I also have a confusion.
Yes,
I think it should be PTR previous का next equals to PTR next.
Yes. PTR previous का next is equals to PTR next. Now it is complete. समझ में आया सबको? जिसने गलत बोला अजय या
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Because PTR previous is the complete node. We can't
complete node,
access
and we need to change the address of that next
address
part.
of the next node. Yes, sir.
PTR previous का next.
Sir,
हाँ जी.
sir, please repeat, sir. I was disconnected, sir.
सर मुझे भी नहीं आया समझ में.
कोई बात नहीं. Like suppose PTR at that particular node 50. So the previous node is being accessed by PTR previous. Is it okay? First of all.
Okay.
And if it is, the next node is PTR next. Now suppose you
PTR
want to
next.
access that next part. तो ये कैसे access होगा? ये next part. 29 का next part.
Previous का next.
हाँ, PTR का previous का next. So we have written over there PTR previous next, and it will be updated to this node, and that node is PTR next. So PTR next. Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Next.
Okay,
Now what else
sir.
we need to update? We need to update the previous part of that next node, 8 node 8. So what we will do now?
PTR next of previous.
PTR next of
Pointing to PTR previous.
PTR previous. Yes.
Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
This is another way to do the same thing. Like that is what we are doing the same. Nothing. We are going to delete 50 only, but with the help of different pointer. Is it clear to all now? Now one more thing. Now suppose the pointer has that 8 node. Getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This node is
PTR previous.
PTR previous.
Previous.
And this node is
PTR.
PTR previous.
Previous.
PTR का previous का
Previous.
ये सब समझ में आ जाएगा ना आपको जो मैं लिख रहा हूँ?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. पीछे जा रहे हैं.
So same. I need to change this particular code. So what will be the option? Tell me.
Sir, PTR previous next.
traverse through the link to PTR. PTR यहाँ पर है हमारे पास. So अब now we have to change now. So what we need to write? Tell me.
PTR previous
next
next
equals to
equals to
PTR.
PTR.
PTR previous. Actually, this is a node 29.
Yes, sir.
PTR previous is 29, and the next part of that 29 that needs to be updated, and it is
PTR.
PTR.
yeah, very good. Then what else?
Then sir, PTR.
PTR previous equals to
PTR previous.
previous next.
No, only PTR previous.
Why next? That node is only PTR PPP. That's it.
PTR previous only.
Is it okay now?
Yes, sir.
So I think अब clear हुआ होगा सब लोगों को. Is this way is okay with you? The way we are doing, like you are writing algorithm, I am not writing algorithm. Is it okay to you all? I am asking to you, dear students.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes,
sir.
Sir, I have a doubt in the condition which we use as PTR next, sir. Not in this also, and in the previous singly linked list also, sir. Is in this condition we are mentioning as PTR next as the complete node, sir. If we are writing PTR next, then that statement is pointing to the complete node. But while we are putting in it in a condition, PTR next not equals to null, over there, sir, we are checking the particular next part of it or the complete node, sir.
नहीं, like अब उसमें confuse मत होइए आप लोग. Like suppose PTR is at node 8, okay?
Yes,
अब आप लिख रहे हैं PTR next. So PTR next is again 100, and if you are pointing to this node, this is also 100. So both are same actually. I don't think why you are getting confused.
So
both
but
are
sir,
same.
we are writing PTR next not equals to null. So we are checking the
next part of this node.
The PTR
next part
node
of this node.
or the PTR next node का next part, sir.
Both are same thing. Like this address is this next is holding the address of this node.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So वहां पर 100 ही आ रहा है actually. Suppose the address of 78 is 100. So वो while PTR next is not null में PTR next के 100 ही आ रहा है. 100 is not null. That's it.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Now you if you are like आप चाहे इसको समझ लो चाहे इसको नोट को समझ लो. बात देखिए.
Okay, sir.
So then now some homework for you all. We need to do all these deletion with 2 pointers. Getting it?
PTR and PTR1.
Yes. So according to that, PTR will be like suppose PTR यहाँ पर है, the node on which we need to delete, है ना? So let the duplicate of that deletion at random. So PTR suppose यहाँ पर है, and PTR1 यहाँ पर है. समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Now what? That you need to do on your own. अभी तक we have done with a single pointer. Now if we have 2 pointers, then what we can do? That can be done with the help of 2 pointers also. So these complex like equations, somehow it will be simpler. Is it okay? बहुत easy है, बहुत confusion मत create करिएगा, बहुत easy है. You just try it on your own, and then we will discuss in the next class. And we will also start the circular linked list, and we will try to finish that linked list in the next class. Okay? Done?
Okay, sir. सर आप इसका वीडियो जल्दी अपलोड कर दोगे क्योंकि अब एग्जाम आने वाले हैं ना सर.
वीडियो अपलोड कर दूंगा मैं. मेरे like I think up to last lecture all the videos have been uploaded.
Yes sir, कर दिए.
I will upload that also, don't worry. about that.